In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get water here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, with this being on a new planet rather than planet, 4546b, you can't really look for the same fish anymore to get you some water. What you need to do instead is actually look for these guys right here. They're called water slugs. They're a little hard to see during the day, but they are super easy to see at night. And you essentially need to go ahead and collect these guys. So go ahead and pick them up. It's then going to look something like this in your inventory. For some reason, these guys look super small in your hand. But essentially, once you have them, you need to go back to your life pod or your base, wherever you have a fabricator. Go ahead and make your way up into the fabricator itself, interact with it, hit substance, and open this up, and you're going to see that you can go ahead and make your way to the water section, select craft, and it'll go ahead and make it, and of course, you'll get it in your inventory. That's going to be the full process right here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.